Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you a free online tool where you can test every keyboard key and mouse button in seconds. So let's get started. Firstly, open your browser. Here you will search for keyboard tester online, or you can go the free website keyboardtester.io. Here is the free website. Now click inside the keyboard testing area. Here you will see test keyboard. Now you will start pressing key one by one. When a key is working, it will light up on the screen, like you will see green light on the screen. This helps you quickly find which key is working and which is not responding. Like any key you will press, it will showing. Also same with mouse. Mousetester.io. Click your left button, right button and middle scroll and side button if your mouse has them. The tool will show which button is being detected. You can also check if your mouse is double clicking, like you will see double clicking. All this. It also helpful when buying a second-hand keyboard or gaming mouse. So this is the easiest way to test keyboard keys and mouse buttons for free. If this video helped you, press the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.